Hey guys, this is Blake at Red Arrow Industries, and today we're going to look at the new Waveform Sync feature in Avid Media Composer 2018.12. Waveform Sync allows you to sync your audio in the timeline to your video. This new feature uses audio waveforms rather than timecode or an endpoint to sync audio to the video. To sync your audio using Waveform Sync, you have to select the video clip you want to sync to your clean audio and drop it in your timeline. And I want to see how well this function works dealing with more than one camera, so I'm going to drop our B camera right behind the A camera. Then select the audio clips that you want to sync with and drop them in as well. Don't worry about lining these up or having the appropriate number of tracks to house all of your audio and video. As you'll see, Media Composer does the work for you. Finally, select all the tracks you wish to sync, right-click, and select Waveform Sync. Media Composer will run through its process, and once it's finished, your video will be synced to your clean audio based on the waveform information. You can see how it added the appropriate number of audio and video tracks, and how we didn't lose any information from before we hit Waveform Sync. This can be really handy if you have footage from a camera that didn't give you any timecode information relative to your audio. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check us out on Facebook at Red Arrow Industries or our website, redarrowindustries.com.